Classroom is straightforward, classroom, right? And this is not the end of the...
To the level of Europe, but we have done it.
Okay.
Starting off with e-learning, which is 1 month, then we have the online for 4 days, we have on-site for 5 days, and then we have the mentoring phase. So this is the program, the learning journey for the candidates. Well, after the completion of the course, we would like to see the member association appoint them, to assign them to deliver courses in their own countries.
And this is the on-site component. And so FIFA is here with them today. And I'm very pleased that they chose Kenya, and when we offered, they have agreed to do this in Kenya because they believe that we are leading. Remember, we have trained 6,000 coaches in the last couple of years at the grassroots. Remember that we are the only country that has been having its own instructors that are approved by CAF and FIFA.